Imagine for a moment you're standing on the edge of a cliff, looking out at a vast, unpredictable ocean. The waves crash in rhythm, some towering and powerful, others gentle and serene. This ocean is like the financial markets, a place of opportunity, but also of risk. As we stand together, let me tell you about building what I call a market mindset, a way of embracing this ocean of financial potential with confidence rather than fear. Let me start with a true story. A friend of mine, let's call him Sam, once told me a tale of his first investment. He jumped into the markets without much preparation, riding high on the excitement of endless gains he'd heard so much about. But soon enough, the market took a dip, and just like a surfer caught off guard, he wiped out, hard. The experience was startling, and it taught him how critical it is to approach investing with the right mindset, a market mindset. So how do we develop this mindset? It starts with understanding that investing isn't about gambling or getting lucky. It's about making informed decisions. Think of it like driving a car. You don't get behind the wheel without learning the rules of the road and practicing driving skills. Similarly, navigating the market requires you to learn its dynamics, understanding what moves prices and why, the impact of global events, and how investor psychology can turn the tide. Speaking of psychology, let's talk about fear and greed, the two emotional bookends of market behavior. Fear can paralyze us, keeping us from making decisions when we should. Greed, on the other hand, can push us to take unnecessary risks. Both emotions can skew our judgment. A market mindset means recognizing these emotions and managing them, not letting them manage us. Just like a seasoned sailor who reads the sea and steers accordingly, we can learn to navigate through the stormy feelings that markets often provoke. To keep emotions in check, one powerful tool is the mental model of long-term thinking. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of our time, famously said that the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Patience is your best ally. Investing with a long horizon helps you ride out the waves and focus on building wealth gradually. Remember, the markets have historically trended upwards over the long run, rewarding those who hold steady. Let's dive into real-life examples. Think about the financial crisis of 2008. Many panicked, pulling their money out of markets at the worst possible moment, driven by fear. But those who held steady or bought into the market during its lows came out ahead as the economy recovered. This resilience is the hallmark of a strong market mindset, seeing downturns as opportunities, not just threats. You know, investing is also about knowing yourself. What's your risk tolerance? How much volatility can you handle while still sleeping soundly at night? Aligning your investment strategy with your personal comfort level is crucial. It's like choosing a path on a hike. Some prefer the thrill of rugged, challenging trails, while others enjoy a calm, scenic route. Both paths can lead you to your destination, but the journey should be one you enjoy and can sustain. Now let's bring this all together with a thought to ponder. Imagine the market not as a battleground, but as a garden. You plant seeds with intention, nurture them with knowledge and patience, and accept that weather conditions will vary. Some seasons will be bountiful, others sparse. Yet, with a market mindset, you trust in the cycles of growth and renewal. You understand that wealth isn't just about accumulating money, but about building a secure, fulfilling future. So as we step back from the edge of our cliff, remember that developing a market mindset is not about eliminating risk, but embracing it wisely. It's about learning, growing, and staying the course, even when the sea gets rough. Keep this metaphor in your heart and let it guide you as you venture into the vast, exhilarating ocean of financial opportunity.